Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back again. We will continue this Marine model. Yesterday we are working on the code. It's not 100% finished yet. So we will continue the code a little bit today. So after that, I hope we can also working on the face. So it will look a little bit nicer, I guess. Okay. I think we will also unwrap. We will also unwrap the code again, so the texture will be better, I guess. The artifacts also hopefully will be gone. Okay, I got the same error like yesterday. So the YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. So uh, if you find this video has a lot of buffering, I'm sorry for that. Hopefully I don't get disconnected like yesterday. Okay, what's Oh yeah, we are also fixing the e-Paulet, so it will look nicer, just like this probably. Hmm. This one should we model also the inside because probably not, right? I think we will try to use like us just to see how it looks. Yeah, probably we don't need to model that because the what is it, the cuff is enough, hopefully. Okay, I keep getting the same error like yesterday. So can you hear my voice or is the stream buffering a lot? Anyone? Pattern here looks like it doesn't have the even pace, I guess. So I will try to fix it. General Luminescent said, "Hey, hey, hey, General, welcome back to the stream." We'll push the code a little bit to the curve. This one is actually a little bit weird, I guess. I think I will wait. I will save this first. I will continue the loop here. Okay, little bit better. Yeah, I spent the last what 4 parts modeling the what is it the code, I guess. So yeah, sometimes it can be it can take a long time to do this kind of thing, I guess. And this not even that detailed, I guess. Yeah, yeah, probably because I'm just using manual modeling. So if you're using Sculpt, it's hopefully will be a lot faster, I guess. But uh, if it's on Blender, you can the limit. If you're using Sculpt, you can easily add the details like this. I guess the bump map and everything. Okay, just a little bit. Uh, Hopefully, we can move on from the code and to the something else more interesting, I guess. Okay. The what is it? The heels is kind of clipped out a bit. Hmm. I think we will probably fix that later, right? It's fine. Now we will continue with the cuffs. I mean the e-powlet, the shoulder thing here. Wait, wait. Uh, okay. Uh, it's kind of have what is it? Motion here. So Let's try to emulate that. I can edit the what is it the curve to be sharp, I guess. Yeah, it's a little bit more nice. Okay, probably not that sharp. Okay, probably right. Maybe we'll also try to rotate this a little bit so it looks more natural, I guess. Okay, this one is actually click through. Should we move this thing out? Yeah, probably. At least the visible one. Okay, I think I need to select the tip. Okay, the this one is still looks kind of click through. But wait. Make it a little bit overlap with each other so it will looks more natural, I guess. So you can move the one of the strand over the other strand. Okay, we'll also fix this one. Is the stream okay, or are you getting a lot of buffering? Because I got another error on YouTube. I think on this hour there is a lot of bandwidth use here, I guess, at least in my place. So I'm sorry if the stream is not that smooth. Uh, okay, the error is gone now. Hopefully the error will gone forever, and we will live happily ever after. Okay, I got another error. Sorry. I guess we will never live happily, I guess. Hmm. Is it still laggy to stream? I will also add a new loop for some of this trend. So I'm using kind of set on ISP, I guess. So that's why the quality probably wasn't the best because a lot of people using the same ISP as me. So I think I need to move little some friends here to make it to fill the void, I guess. Okay. Maybe I can just move this part a little bit down so the clipping won't be that visible. Okay, I'm sorry again if the quality of the stream is not that smooth. Uh, I can't really do anything about it, I guess. So yeah, you can easily change your ISP here because the not every ISP is has more not every ISP has a broad coverage as the state-on ISP. Jackie R said there's a couple of posts, but it's perfectly watchable. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, now the error is gone again. I hope the last error will be the last. Is the wait? I think there is still some strands. So some clipping. It's not that bad though. If we are gonna use cycles for the render, it won't be that visible, I guess. I think yeah, I will try to use cycles. Hopefully, since I plan to create a turntable, hopefully the render time won't be that long. Uh, I don't think I ever create a turntable using cycles before, or any animation, I guess. But I think I think since Cycles X, I mean, the render time of Blender is really improved a lot, I guess. So hopefully we can render some turntable animation a little bit faster, I guess, currently. So the Cycles X is you don't know is the code name for the Cycles render engine since 3.0, I guess. So it has a lot of optimization to make it really fast compared to the 2.9 series Cycles. I think no one. Okay. Okay. This one is. I think just to make sure, I will just also move it here. So sometimes if I'm using what is it the subsurface, I usually add the subsurface scattering even on the non-skin material because it I don't know it looks good I guess to the model. So if I use subsurface scattering, the overlapping model is kind of look visible, I guess. So it's better to have a non-overlapping uh, mesh, something like that, to make sure the subsurface scattering looks nice. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, it doesn't visible at all from this angle. I think should we wait. Should, should we move this a little bit up? Okay, yeah, probably. And I will also. Okay, it doesn't look that great, I guess. I think it's fine to not that visible. At least we can see it here from the side since we are creating turntable, hopefully. Yeah, I will just make sure. It has the nice spacing, I guess. You know what we are going to do? I think rather than since this actually also has a flip what is it text, I think let's try it. I will just duplicate this since this already has. Oh wait, I'm using individual origin. I will put it back. Okay, so Okay, let me hide this first. So this one has the right text, I guess. But now the okay, I think to fix this, let me think. The bottom part is I think I can just use mirror, right? Mirror by Y, and don't forget to it's always kind of flip the normal also. So Control N. Okay, I think this is fine. So we can just use this. Align the pad a little bit. Yeah, it looks nice. Probably since this one is okay, what's going on? I will move the strand a little bit to the front. Be aware that if you press the one button, it will only show the collection on the first. What is it? The first collection. So since the code is on the second collection, it will it's it will be hidden if we press the one. Even on the local mode, that's the interesting thing in Blender. So the local mode still kind of using the collection, unlike the old Blender, if you ever use that. Hmm. Oh, I keep pressing one again. Uh, I think I will lower this a little bit down. Okay. Just to make sure it looks nice on the what is it, the most important angle of the camera. So this angle will be the main angle for the final render. So if I will render this image static, it will be this one, this angle. So at least we will make sure this angle has the base look, I guess. I think I will change it back to smooth. I don't know. I already getting used to smooth proportion editing tool. Yeah, I think the e-palette looks nice now. Okay, don't forget to um, move the original one. I think just in case I will put it in the backup collection. Hopefully we don't need that again. Okay, I will still tweak a little bit the tape to make it the flows a bit more nicely. Okay, I don't get an error anymore. That's nice. Hopefully it will stay that way. Okay. Okay. Mm, I'm making sure the what is it? The Morstrand is visible from the main angle. Yeah, something like that. Uh, yeah. Also, I think the leaf is a little bit need to be a little bit bigger, I guess. Okay, probably something like this. Okay, okay. I will make sure the color will be not that stretched out, I guess. Yeah, it looks kind of stretched out to me. Okay. Yeah, this one is also a little bit stretched. I'm making sure the also the flows of the loop is have some kind of curve, nice curve. So that's the usually the thing about posing the mesh, the model, I guess, to make the arc more natural. So if you find something like this, for example, it kind of has a bumpy arc. So it's probably not look very good. So let's just try to smooth that out. Yeah, it's not always. I mean, it's not always like that, but most of the time, it looks nicer if you has a smooth flow, I guess. Yeah, just like this. The if I move it a little bit inside like this, you can see it's now it has more flows. Yeah, hopefully that's make any sense. Hopefully that makes sense to you, I guess. Yeah, I was look at something like that and try to fix that. So this one is also wait. I think the this one has some kind of fault here because the material of the shirt is kind of what is it more rigid, I guess. I also forgot the this one is actually has some kind of what is it this the sewing pattern. I mean shoe lines or something. So I think I will add that using bump mat later. Bump mat, bump map. I mean, uh, it's kind of hard to say certain word in English, I guess. Sim lines, Jackie said. Yeah, sim lines. So this one is actually has sim lines, but I haven't created that. Okay, I will probably add them later. I need to fix the. I think I will unwrap the UV first for most of the mesh. Uh, wait. I think I will make sure the this one has nicer flows. Jackie R said, "Will you see the semblance in the render though?" It will be uh turntable. Turntable. So I think it will be visible from the side, right? Yeah, it will be visible from here. Yeah, it's actually probably looks better if I model it the sim lines, but I don't know. You know what? I will add them now. Okay, using actual modeling, so it will looks more better, I guess. So I will create. Wait, I will create loop here. I will just connect them here. Jackie R set. I see. Yeah, yeah. It's usually not that important to add details like this if it's not visible, but okay. It's. I think I will also add the crease so it will look more sharp. Yeah, I think this one is need to be a little bit to the front. If we take a look, there any thing. Yeah, this one. I think it's more to the front, the seam lines. Okay, yeah, probably something like this. Okay, it also has more. What is it? Straight line. This part. So I also try to do that. Oh, it looks from. Okay. Also, I will add the other side. Wait. Okay, I think. Yeah, this one is also need to be a little bit to the front. Nikki Didak said you are one of the reason I will do Patreon. I'm planning to start building portfolio fast, but after I done with my freelance, haha. Okay, okay, yeah. I think if you want to create a Patreon, just do it, I guess. You can you can set the Patreon goal to be per what is it per for artwork or something. So it doesn't have to be per month, I guess. So you can also do it on the side if you had the time. Okay, hopefully this will look better. Okay, this one is actually not that visible, but whatever, right? If we hide this, it will visible. Yeah, it's clip out. Let's fix that. Nikki Detect said, "Oh, I never knew that." Yeah, yeah. Maybe just try to create the page and see how the settings and everything. Yeah, I think I will create. Oh, sorry, create loop here. Uh, I don't know. Even though it's not that visible at all. But what if you want to remove the code? Okay, you'll see this. So at least make it a little bit confusing, I guess. Okay, this one actually has a weird. Okay, okay, it looks rather nice now. I want to make sure the this part is a little bit, what is it, straighter. So so the tension of the, what is it, the button feels more realistic, I guess. Wait, wait. I think I moved the model a little bit. No. Okay. Now, what is left? Let's see. Wait, wait. Okay, I think this one is a little bit bigger. Will be a little bit bigger. At least, that's what it looks like at the reference. Okay. I think it still looks a little bit smaller here compared to the other side. So yeah, probably something like this. Let's see from the back. Still really not sure about the heels. If I move this to too much to the back, it will start to look weird, I guess. I need to be a little bit careful with that. Uh, how should we? Okay, sorry. How should we fix this? Okay, let's take a look from the front. So the problem with this center part, is kind of what is it? The gun. So to recover that, I need to push further this part to the back, but I'm not sure if that will look good at the overall. Okay, how about we just edit this heels? Just tweak it a little bit to make it, what is it? Not so obvious that it has been edited. Okay, we will put the code back to where it belongs, I guess. Okay, it's still a little bit visible. I'll take this further. Okay, I think we need to be caution with this kind of thing since if we tweak it too much, it started to look weird, the shape and everything. So yeah, just be aware of that. So if we take a look now, at least we can still see the back cape, I guess. I need to make sure it has the what is it, the even flow from the front. Okay. I think also the what is it? The hue color is a little bit smaller in the reference. Uh, yeah, I think we can also try to make it like that. I'm just still tweaking the shape to be something like this. A little bit tricky to do to try to mimic that, I guess. Still trying. This part is actually not that visible in the reference, but I don't know. I'll just try to make it more believable or something. But this one is kind of overlap. Okay, it's probably fine. It's not that, I don't know. It won't be that visible, I guess. We can always try to see using Cycles, right? Let's take a look. Yeah, it's kind of dark in here, so probably it's not that visible. Yeah, I think that's fine, I guess. How to remove? Oh, how to remove this? Yeah, I think I will just make it full. Sometimes I forgot in Blender because it has a lot of shortcuts. So sometimes I forget some of them. I think it's basically almost, what is it, impossible to use Blender for a touchscreen only device because Blender has a gigantic amount of shortcuts that you need to learn to make your workflow faster. So if you are needing to access the menu on the top and everything, it will slows you down a lot, I guess. Yeah, at least that's what I've thought. Okay, now the boot, the code is mostly done. And what we are going to do. Okay, this one is a little bit stretched. I forgot about this. So I will try to make it a little bit less stretch, I guess. Just a little bit to make it looks more natural. Okay, also making sure the it doesn't look weird from the top. So as you can see, there is some kind of bulge here. So let's try to make it more nicer flow. It looks nice already. I think I will also move this one a little bit to the back. Probably something like this. Okay, the what is it? I need also I need to also check from the front. Okay, I get another error. In which error? I hope the stream is still not that bad. Yes. Okay, the what is it? The gold line here a little bit too thin. Okay, the bottom part is should be also good. I think we already 1 hour in the stream, so okay, we need to one, I guess. Uh, yeah. We can always tweak this forever, make it better. Uh, yeah, maybe just a little bit. Just a little bit more. I think this one is a little bit. Uh, Someone said in the some kind of Japanese language or something. Let's translate it. Okay, good evening. It's Chinese. Good evening to you too. Okay, this one need some red back. I think I'll probably not. Okay. Now we can unwrap this again. To make the. So yeah, good evening. Good evening. How to spell your name? It's in the Chinese character, so I can spell that. I'm sorry about that. Maybe you can write it in English, your name. So sorry that I can't read Chinese character. Yeah, this one is actually has a lot of things going on here. I will just collapse it. Okay. I forgot that. Wait. Uh, this one is actually has some kind of line here. We already did that before, but since we already merged this to the back of the code, I think we need to define where this line will end. This one. Oh, the Chinese guy, I guess. He said, "I especially like your work. Thank you." Oh, you haven't said your name, so I'm sorry. I don't know how to address you, I guess. So, okay. Okay. He or she said slacker student. Okay. So his of her name is slacker student. I see. I will also fix this one, the other side. So I need to define where's the this pattern ends. So I think by creating a seam, I guess. Uh, wait. So the seam will be. Wait. The seam will be at least here. I will mark it seam, and I think all this part will be using the lines. I think probably until the okay, probably it's fine. It will not visible from the front probably, so it will be fine. It will be uh wait, let's try to select this. Okay, it's still connected. Okay, I think the SIM is here is kind of disconnected. I will try to connect this again. It's still connected somewhere. Okay, I think this one. No, the line will be here. Uh, Hopefully it doesn't look that weird. Yeah, I think I will end it here, right? So this one will be since you can see the or maybe what? I will just connect them here. Oh, probably not. Okay, I think the line will be end right here. Hopefully, and this one. Let's create the sim again. Okay, we will make it even, I guess. So it will be here. Wait, it will be here. Line. So so this one will be so the line will be visible on these faces. Okay. Let's now try to sim the other faces, I guess. So this one is still connected to the back. So let's separate them. Where is the connection goes? So sometimes it's hard to see what's going on, right? I think I will make the what is it, the crease invisible so I can see it better. So I will check every edge, I guess. Also try to clean that up. Okay. The slacker student is low. Uh, Using l- love and crying emoji, I guess. Okay, slacker student. Okay, I didn't find the connection. Where is the Oh, I see. I think this is the one. So, I think I will just mark him here. Hopefully. Okay. Now it's still connected. Hmm. Okay, also this one. Okay, now only this part is connected. So, oh, you know what? I usually just unwrap it. So, I can create a new UV. I think I will create new UV using this select all material polygon. And I will, what is the name? So I will name this UV map 2. I mean, yeah. I think I will just name it UV map since UV map uh, 1, there is no UV map without a number. So I will just use this. Okay. Now I can just unwrap it. Since no one using this, it will not affect all the texture and everything. So I will just use this. And as you can see, there is a, if there is a problem, you can see it right here. So if I'm using this, the, what is it? The UV sync selection, you can see where is the problem lies. For example, this one has a, what is it? Separate. So yeah, I don't think I will probably need the center seam. So I will just delete that, I guess. Let's try it again. So now it's gone. But there is something weird here. What is it? So I can just use L. Oh, I see. It's actually all the back of the tape. So as you can see, there is something going on here. So it's right here. Okay. I think I will just sim this because I usually just sim the, what is it, the angled one. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay, a little bit better. So we can see what's wrong here. What is it? Let's click here. Oh, I see. Hmm. This one is all connected to the back of the cape. So I think I will also sim this. So then if you are confused with the unwrapping, don't, I guess don't be. You can always use this tool. What is it? UV sync and see where is the problem, and you know immediately what's okay. This one is right here. So as you can see, there is a line here. So it's kind of have a seam here. So we can just select that, as you can see here, and use mark seam and unwrap it again. Uh, you can also see if the mesh is already good or not by what is it? I don't remember the name. I'm sorry. I think select. Yeah, select overlap. Yeah, yeah. As you can see, the problem is kind of this part. Since there is some kind of overlap on the selection, so you can mark this since this one is the overlap one, and Control E and mark seam, and you can just select everything and unwrap it again. Why this is doesn't work? Okay, wait. Select overlap. Okay, this one I will mark it sim. I will unwrap it again. Okay, yeah, it will unwrap. I will select overlap again and see. Okay, this one is this one. Okay, I need to probably mark the side like this. Wait. Or I think I will just mark it sim here, and also this one probably, and try to unwrap it again. Okay, the UV editor is kind of error now. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I'm pressing home button and it will show up again. So let's check the overlap. Okay, now there is no overlap. So this is the hopefully the perfect UV, I guess. Yeah, probably not perfect, but good enough for our use case. I think also this one is kind of has a weird, what is it, seam here, and this one aren't. So okay, this is this one, so we can just unwrap it again. Oh yeah, I forgot to create another one like that in this side. So let's just quickly do that, just to make sure the cuffs doesn't looks end up. It looks okay. I will also add more seam here. Okay, let's try to select overlap again. I think there is no overlap now, so this is hopefully perfect, I guess. Okay, this one is a little bit weird. Where's this one? Okay, I think we need to sim also this one. Okay, unwrap it again. Okay, this one is taking a lot of space, so I will make some kind of sim here at the center, I guess. So it will be at the center. Yeah, probably right here. So I will unwrap it again. Okay, it's using the image. I will just use select and make it empty. Oh, I think it's fine. It's not that bad now. There is some uni use space, but it's fine. Let's now try to select overlap again. Okay, no, there is no. Okay. How about this? Where is this one? Oh, I see. It's kind of look like this. I think I will make it seem like this. Uh, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, probably it's a little bit better. So I want it to be something like this. I'll mark seam here. Also at the other part. It's if you are a little bit confused, it's I don't know. Uh, just keep adding seam, I guess. It will look a little bit better, hopefully. Okay. Okay, I think this is done. So what we are going to do is at first we can change the. So as you can see, there is some kind of artifact here and there. So since we are, it still read the previous UV as the base of the normal map. So what we can do, you can change the main UV. It's still using UV map 1. Now we need to, okay, I will save it first. We will to use the new one, the UV, standard UV map that we created uh, just now. So just now before. So we will change this. Hopefully this doesn't create an error. Okay, just wait a little bit. Okay, now as you can see, now it's all gone. The artifacts is all gone. Okay, it's nice and clean. Okay, that's how you fix the normal problem. Now we can also, what we are gonna do, uh, okay, maybe I will try to use the lines here. I will turn it on again. Okay, I think this is already looks a little bit fine, I guess. Okay, this one is, okay, what we are going to do, probably we will, what is the, okay, this is the line. Okay, it's still using the UV map 1, so let's try to change it to UV map, standard UV map. Okay, now it's error, sorry. Okay, let's see, is it, okay, I got some kind of error, I'm sorry, on the, okay. I think we are using too much UV map, I guess. So I think the problem is, since we already use 8 of color attributes and UV maps, we need to remove one of them. So what we are going to do is, uh, we're gonna delete one of this by, wait, there's a function here on the add-on that will bake your, okay, this one is actually, let's just try it. Okay, I think this one is, yeah, this one is using the standard UV map. And what we are going to do is transfer all the layers and masks from UV map 1 to UV map, and we will delete the UV map 1. So this is the function to, if you already have a better, what is it, a better UV, you can always do that. So transfer all the layers and masks to the new UV and delete the original UV. So I will just do that. So UV map 1 to UV map, and okay, let's try it. Hopefully it doesn't give us error anymore. Just like wait a little bit since there is a lot of image. I mean objects using the material. So it will take some kind of while to bake. Okay, now as you can see there is no UV map 1 again. Hopefully the, okay, the pattern is still here. It has a lower resolution, I guess we can always up that. So let's save it first. Now I think there is some kind of, okay, let's try to use the lines to use the UV map. Okay, it's already used the standard UV map. I think this is fine, right? Yeah, I think it looks good enough. Okay, it's probably not using all the face here. Should we? Yeah, let's try it. I'll assign all of this using. Okay, probably since we are using standard color, I can just use black here to make it the what is it the transition a little bit smoother. So I'm using standard color. This the solid circle is color ID, and if you are using this, what is it? The circle with the dot on the left of the three dots is standard color. I mean standard color is this is one. Okay, the limitation of Eevee is it can only use what eight verticolors and in total with the UV map. So this is too much, I guess, for the EV for the EV. So as you can see now, it has a little bit more smooth transition. So okay, I think some of the okay since there are a lot of objects using the same material, I'm not really sure where. Okay, I think I will check one by one, I guess. Okay, we can go to the edit mode. I will select everything using the same material, and I will try to see which one is using. Okay, this one is logo loop. Okay, swirly lines. Where is it? Oh, I see. It's the this one to make the line. So this one, what is it? This one is logo white. This one is using okay. This one is UV map. Oh, this one is logo gold. Oh, this one is using this. Yeah, we actually need all of them. Oh, probably except logo loop. Logo loop is originally for the head. Yeah. Let's see how it looks. I think I will just logo loop. I think no one is logo loop, right? Oh, this one. What is it? Oh, the swirly lines. Oh, I see. So yeah, we need all of them. I'm sorry. So we don't. Yeah, don't. We need all of the UV. How about the color attributes? The lines is purely pattern and the lines here. Yeah, we need all of them. Yeah, we are at the end of the so it's probably only can use 7. So for UV maps and 3 color attributes or UV color. So it's already too much for UV. Yeah. Okay. Now what's going on here? Okay, I think the this one is also using lens, so we'll put it black, the mask. Okay, I hope that's not too confusing, I guess. Now what we are gonna do is we are going to make the gold using the bump map again. So I will, okay, this is the original one, the gold image. I will delete this. And I will duplicate this as image and also use blur. I will set this, I don't know, probably 0.5 probably. This is it's just random color. I mean the random number to set the blur. Maybe you will try it for yourself. We will set it to UV map, and I will make the resolution a little bit higher, probably to 2048. Okay, okay, I will click OK. Hopefully it won't get us an error. Hopefully, just wait a little bit since a lot of objects using the same material, it's always take quite a bit of time. So be aware that you only has maximum number of color attributes of 8. It's including the UV map. So yeah, that's the limitation of UV. Yeah, what is it? The bump is back now. It's nice. Okay. Yeah, I think this is fine. Is it too much? No? I think I will save it first, at least. Let's try. Okay, I will delete this first. And so the result will be named gold. If one is called gold, the result will at default will be named gold image. I think I will try to lower the blur. Okay, I put it in the logo white. I'm sorry, my mistake. It should be UV map. Now I need to wait again. Sorry about that. I hope you don't get too confused about my workflow, I guess. Okay, is anyone still here watching this stream? Anyone? I saw 7 viewers. Okay, yeah, this one is using logo white, so it's kind of chaotic, I guess. So let's remove it again. And we will duplicate, and don't forget to set it to UV map. Yeah, and press OK. Oh, Jackie R said, what is it? Victory emoji, I guess. Yeah, hi. Hey there. Thank you for keep tuning in. I hope it's not too boring, I guess. Yeah, this is basically my workflow is, yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's see the result. So I think this is a little bit better. The It's a little bit slimmer, the bump. Rodolph Loom said present. Hi there, Rodolph Loom. I think you are already here. Yeah. Working while watching on other screens, so no problem, said Checky R. I see. I hope it's still okay. This one has a little bit weird shading on it. I think that's because this UV. Is it that visible? Yeah, it's kind of visible from the front. I think okay. I think what we are gonna do, okay, at least to fix this. I think I will remove this. Or maybe I will just make the seam here so it won't be that visible. And this one will be, I will clear the seam. Okay. Okay, this one, I think this one is fine, right? It's not that bad. Okay, only this one. So I will unwrap this. I think I will only unwrap this. Okay. But I will pin this first to make sure. Okay, this one is the problematic one. To make sure it will connected to this part. Okay. Okay. Now this one is here. It will be gone for now, but I think I will also remove. I think I will also make the flow a little bit better. Yes. So probably something like this. I will also unwrap it again. Okay. A little bit nicer, I guess. So what we're going to do is I will save it first. We will delete this one, the gold image again, and we will duplicate this one. Don't forget to change it to UV map, and we'll just do this again. Hopefully the UV will be better now. Okay, it's take a while again. Yeah, it's if the it's since we are using a lot. Okay, it's not that bad. Uh, okay, I think is this looking bad? No, right? Uh, okay, I'll save it. I think what we are going to do, we can also add another mask. I think, but okay, probably fine. It's not that. It's kind of bugging me. I'm sorry. We can also add another mask using standard. So we will paint it black, I guess. Okay, distance is white. Multiply. Let's paint this. Okay, let paint fix this one with the black color to make it a little bit nicer, I guess. Okay. GKR said what resolution with will the turntable be? I'm not sure. Yeah. It's probably not that high since I'm gonna use Cycles. Yeah, it will take a while to render. So I don't know. Probably less than 100, I guess. I mean 1000 pixel. Wait, probably. I'm not really sure. Since I usually keep changing the I mean, I keep rendering it again and again if something goes wrong. So yeah. We can also fix this one, the lines. Where is it? Okay, this one. So we will, since we bake this, it's has some kind of weird artifact, I guess. Yeah, looks fine. Ice cream. Hello, ice cream. Welcome back to the stream. Okay, I think the jacket cape is hopefully 100% done. No? Yeah, I think this is done, right? Nothing else? Yeah, it's probably done. Eh, nice. Now what we are going to do? Oh, wait. I think uh yeah, I will hide it. This part a little bit the what is it? The reference is kind of show the cut a little bit. So what I think yeah, it looks a little bit nicer for at the reference. So I will move this a little bit to the left or the right from the character perspective. Yeah, probably something like this. Okay, okay, nice. Now, okay, the jacket is done. It's 2 hours already, and now we are continue with the face. So the problem with this face is, yeah, I already said in the previous stream. The problem with this face is, I don't know. It probably doesn't look that great in 3D since it's yeah, it's fine in 2D. Since yeah, it's 2D illustration, but in 3D it's uh some some face like some kind of face like this is has a better I don't know characteristic I guess since it has what is it defined shapes and everything. This one is kind of has a flat expression and I don't know. Even this one, this kind of lips is probably not that good. At least if even if I try it, I already create several anime face I guess with different kind of expression and sometimes I can see if the this one is probably won't be looking that good even if I really try. So I already overlay. So I will use this face to be the final face, and I have already overlay this, so it will look something like this. I don't know. It's probably hopefully it won't be looking that weird. I guess. Yeah. I think this is my target. So let's just do that. I guess. I will save this first. And oh yeah. Since we haven't have inside mouse yet, I think we need to. Okay, we need to edit the. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot one thing. So uh, what I forgot is so that's yeah, this is sometimes that I usually forgot. So if you can see the anime proportion, I'm not really sure about something else. So the what is it? The top of the torso, the shoulder area, and everything. It's usually kind of little bit what is it? Small. So uh, I usually just scale this by using Y and make it a little bit smaller, I guess. So if you can see, there is the bust to the what is it? The neck. It's a little bit small in the so don't forget to yeah, probably something like this. Okay, I will hide the. Don't forget to make the what is it? The parent to not inherit the scale. So this hand won't be scaled. So as you can see, this is the original and this is the edited one. What is it? I okay. This is probably something like this. So this is the original and this is the edited one. Okay. So the slacker student said good night. Okay, good night. Okay, yeah, it's probably something like this. So as you can see, it's I don't know, it looks more even, I guess. You can also do that. If you can see the belly is a little bit smaller, I guess. So maybe I will tweak it also a little bit before the face, the face. So yeah, it's probably something like this. Now, I already edit the what is it the original is something like this, and this is the my edited one. So what I usually do is I will just apply the armature to make it the response. So if I edit, I don't get this kind of jump around in my mesh. So I will wait. I will save this first, and I will apply. And there's a warning to apply modifiers above armature. I think this is fine. We already make sure all the modifiers are above armature. So okay. Okay. One thing that I also forgot. So there is this one. I forgot to bring this one to the front. So this one is for the belt. I forgot before when I checked the file again today. I forgot to bring it to the front on the several files back, several spring back. I mean, so let's just do that. Okay. Okay, I got another error again. Hopefully the stream is still fine. So yeah, I think this is done for the preparation before we edit the face. So the face is kind of experimental, right? What is it? I kind of mixed that up with different illustration and everything. So I it's it will uh it doesn't always smooth, I guess, to create this kind of expression. So don't forget to back up your file. I think I will save. I will name it face edit. So I can go back if something gets wrong. Okay. Uh, Yeah, let's try to do this. I think I will start with the brow first, just to make sure the. Yeah, I think the yeah editing the face like this is sometimes doesn't always go well. Uh, nice to has a backup to your files, I guess, just to make sure if you want to experiment or everything or anything. So we don't have mouse, the tongue and the inside of the mouse. So what we are gonna do is will just we'll just create that, I guess. So we will extrude this. By doing this, we need to unwrap the UV again to make sure everything well. So I think I will just use Ngonce and I will try to connect this. Okay, it won't be that. I think I should do this at the best mesh, but I don't know. I forgot about this. Sorry about that. I thought the the expression will be just static, I guess, but I don't know. It doesn't looks interesting, I guess. Uh, so we need to make it a little bit more expressive, the expression and everything. Hopefully, at least we can create some kind of nice base for the face on the stream. Uh, we will still have 1 hour left on the stream. It's getting more and more done, I guess. Uh, we'll also create the tone. Tone. What is it? I'm not really sure how to spell it. Tone. Oh, yeah, yeah. You probably know what I mean. So to do the tone, I think we can just move this to the uh free. Every set I see some of your model printed and sold as figure. Do you get royalty from it? No, I don't. I don't tell my model is actually not for 3D printing, so it's not. It's actually third party we did that. Yeah, that my model is not intended for 3D printing, so yeah. Yeah, some people already report that, but I don't know. That's a lot of people, I guess. I mean, if you see something like that, you can always report that, I guess. If you want to help me, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't get royalty from all that. Okay, I think the tongue. How can I spell it? The tongue. Sorry, my English is not the best. Yeah, I know the word, but I do know how to spell the word. I guess tongue, tongue, right? Tongue, tongue. So also the inside most of the anime is usually a little bit uh upfront, I guess, to make it the shading. So if we take a look, if we don't bring it front, the shading will be kind of too dark. Tone, okay, thank you. Tone, tongue, 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 yeah, the tongue, tongue. Well, it's probably something like this. The tongue, tongue, the tongue, yeah, the tongue, tongue. And this one is a little bit slanted to the left or right, depends on your perspective. The tricky part is because we are going to create a turntable. Okay. It doesn't. Yeah, it's look. I don't know. Okay, maybe we can just try to create the this first, probably. Uh, by using cube. Okay. I will make it shade smooth and use auto smooth. Okay, I will tweak it little by little, I guess. Uh, it will still. After I think I will remove the top part since it won't be visible. Okay, probably also this one. Okay, uh, it doesn't look that great. Yeah, we need to make the mouse looks like this. Hopefully, we can do that. Starting with moving the here to make it the smile. Yeah, sometimes the if we tweak it like this, it will start to look weird from the other angle. Uh, Hopefully that won't be the case here. I think the smile on the reference is more kind of a nervous smile, but in this one is kind of more a confident smile, I guess. Yeah, we will tweak it little by little to make it. I think it's because the eyes, right? The brows is a little bit down on the reference. As you can see, the pupil is a little bit up here. We need to put it down. You're not, Rodolph Loom said, you're not fond of masking and inverting the concentrate on a piece. What is it? What do you mean? Uh, you're not fond of masking and inverting to concentrate the piece. Oh, I see. No, I don't know. Probably. I rarely mask my. I usually just I don't know use local or something like that. Uh, yeah. I don't know. It doesn't look that great. I guess the expression. Hmm. Yeah, masking and hiding. Yeah. Yeah. Probably not that much. I Yeah, sometimes, but not that often, I guess. Okay, it's also probably this arc here that make the character a little bit more as a characteristic or something. This one. Wait. Yeah, sometimes I use masking and hiding. I don't know, but not that much, I guess. I'm not really sure why myself. Just out of a habit, I guess. Hey, okay. This one, the bottom part will be right here, probably. Anime has vampire like this. Yeah, yeah, sure. I will add that later. I'm still working out the expression, I guess. Yeah, probably. Oh, this one has no. Wait. Yeah, probably something like this, right? We can always create that. This one is probably something like here. Yeah. And this one is probably here. Okay. I'm still working on the expression. Probably we need to make it a little bit exaggerated, I guess. Like the left. It still has no characteristic, I guess. Also the news. Yeah, Rodolph Bloom said just small communities. Yeah, it's something like this probably. It's not that. I don't know. Let's take a look on the cycles. I'm just curious. Okay, I think this is fine. Started to look like she has some kind of expression, but still we need to working on this more. I'm still. What is the? I forgot the shortcut to remove the border of the render. Anyone know? I always keep forgetting the Blender shortcuts since it has a lot of shortcuts. Yeah, border. Wait. I think the also this one has a. Okay, this one is has to. I think I will just probably remove this one. Uh, it's using. Let's see. I said no. eyelid top, bottom. Oh, okay, the bottom one. Okay, it will. Yeah, I usually just go to the what is it? This one, the local mode. It's still similar to masking, right? I think eyelid bottom is not needed. I will just remove it. Okay, it will the eyelid will start it from here. B. The border is B. Okay. So if I create this and B, no, it doesn't go. It doesn't disappear. Alt B. Control Alt B. Oh, Control Alt B. I'm sorry. It's the Control Alt B. Render border. It's not the standard border. It's render border. So the shortcut of the render border is Shift B, I guess. Yeah. Oh no no. Control B. Yeah, Control B. And if we need to remove that, if we want to remove that, Control Alt B. Yeah. Control Alt B. It's to render only certain parts of your model. Okay. I think this one is a little bit lower. Probably like this. Uh, we will create this eyelid. Just like this. What we are gonna do is, I usually just create loop here. Wait, wait. Here, and I will connect this here. So, okay, probably connect this. So this one is also, I will use crease. I think I will show the crease again. Where is it? Okay, and I will also use mark sharp. Yeah, probably something like this. So it will look like this. It's not that, I don't know, precise. I guess it's fine. It's called Gradient Render, say product line. Yeah, thank you. Uh, I didn't remember the term. I think most of you are already expert in some capacity, I guess, in Blender. So yeah, thanks for keep reminding me, I guess, of things in Blender. Okay, it looks weird. I'm sorry. I will put it a little bit back. It's kind of a little bit long. So this is, I think, the one that make this has characteristic, I guess. It's the brow itself and this eyelid. So let's try to do that. So the expression of the face is combination of everything, I guess. The eyelid, the brow, the mouth. Yeah, probably mostly the brow, I guess. This one is looking weird. Okay, we will fix that later, I guess. I think I will put this a little bit longer, probably here, by subdividing this, and I will connect this here. I will remove this part, and I will fill the eyelid top. Okay. Yeah, probably something like this. Okay, this one is. I'm sorry. I think I will just. Also, this one is a little bit to the right, I guess. The to the left or right, depends on your perspective. Okay. Also, the eyelash is kind of what is it? Flatter, I guess, at the side. Yeah, it started to looking really expressive now. The shadow is kind of too dark, I guess. It's usually means that the eyelid is a little bit too wide, too much volume, I guess. We need to make it a little bit slimmer to make the shadow on the eye a little bit. What is it? Uh, Later. We can always tweak the eyes itself. Also, make it more to the front, something like this. Hmm. Uh, yeah. Is it looking weird? No. I think I will. Where's the teeth? Right? Where is the teeth? Oh, okay. I think I. Where is it? It's gone. Okay, it's on the post ref. I need to move that up to the main. Okay, the this one is a little bit. What is it? Smooth, I guess. The side smile. So we will do that after this. But I will fix this first. The I Rodolph Bloom said have tried doing hair and eyebrows using Bezier too. No. I don't know. Uh, I think the Bezier tool is kind of harder to control, I guess, to me, because you can only, what is it? You can only, uh, if using mesh, it's you can always add more loop and everything or change the shape. But if you are using Bezier, it's a lot of harder to do that, I guess. So I never. Yeah, I used to create the hair using Bezier, using Bevel curve, like the videos several years back in my YouTube channel, but I haven't used that kind of technique again, I guess, because I don't know, using curve is a little bit limited, I guess, to me. Yeah, it's if that's working for you, I guess that's fine. Uh, I will also okay. This one is a little bit tricky. The side of the mouse is usually has some kind of crease like this. I will try to remove that because at the reference at least it have a little crease. Yeah, I think this is fine. The crease on the set is fine though. Maybe we can tweak it a little bit, but also this one is a little bit what is it, lower on the center. Hopefully it doesn't look weird. Yeah, it's started to look like the reference now. Hopefully, yeah, I'm still being cautious here because it's easy to kind of mess up the expression if we tweak it too much, I guess. Okay, that's the example. I will undo this. Okay, it's better to be, yeah. Okay, it's looking fine. I guess. How about the side? Yeah, the problem with the anime is usually looking weird from the other side. So since we need to create the turntable, let's try to fix it, I guess. So this one it should be okay. I forget that I want to color the tongue, so it doesn't look plain like this. Sebastian Ojeda said, "Nah, it looks good." Okay, thank you. Where is it? I think we need to define the tongue. The tongue, probably here. So I will create sim here. Just make it selection easier. Uh, here, here. here. I'll okay. We will continue to mark the seam. Something like this. Uh, it's kind of hard to see, I guess, what's going on here. So we can select this using L. And now we will create a new, probably here. And I think it's beside the lips to make it more obvious. What is it, tongue? And we will fill this. And we will change the color. Okay, probably something like this. I think we can always use, okay, probably mix it to tweak the mix. Okay, I forgot. I think we also need to make sure to sharp the light so it doesn't have weird shading. So I will use crease and sharp on the side of the tongue. Okay. Hopefully I get keep getting better spelling it, the tongue. Okay. And I will use Mark Sharp. Okay. You can see the shading is a little bit better now. Hopefully. And you can always tweak the roughness also because uh yeah, the tongue is usually has less roughness, I guess. Something like this, yeah. Okay. So we need to tweak that. I mean the shape to make it the specular more visible, I guess. We can add another loop here. So I will just connect this to here to make the triangle less visible, I guess. Okay, this one is a little bit lower. Okay. Radolflum said, what I mean, path curve or curve Scope got a nice tutorial on it. Oh, I see. I never. Okay, maybe I will take a look at that later. I don't know. I never use curve that much, I guess, nowadays. It's convenient for stylized character, said Radolflum. Yeah, probably. I will take a look at that later. Maybe you can post the link in the Discord or something, so anyone can see, I guess. Okay, it doesn't look right. I'm sorry. I think the problem is this one. This one is actually tilted to the right, like this. Yeah, it looks a little bit better now. But the problem with this is it usually looks weird from the other angle. Hopefully it's not that bad. Let's see from this angle. Yeah, it looks like she's kind of having stroke or something. How can we fix this? I'm not really sure. At least, so this kind of expression is always has some kind of. Okay, probably not that bad. I just need to fix this uh, part. Yeah, yeah. It's this kind of expression. It looks fine from this angle, but if you look at it from the other side, that's why I sometimes just only use one angle for my render because it only looks good from that angle, I guess. Doing this kind of stylized character is always, I mean, stylized expression and everything is always tricky. Tongue, tongue should be concave in the center. Turtle film. Yeah, probably. Right. Yeah, since we are doing stylized character here, it's probably doesn't have. I mean, it will be easier to. I mean, it will. What's the word? It will be uh not that strict, I guess. Uh, or as the regular anatomy or something. I mean, compared to the regular anatomy, I mean, it's not that, at least in my experience. So, we can see it's kind of slanted here, the tongue. So, yeah, it will probably looks weird from the other angle. And yeah, it's basically the the effects of the stylized character like this. So we can always tweak it a little bit, I guess, to make sure the doesn't look that weird from the different angle. Yeah. Okay. It will, as you can see, it's actually a kind of docking there. the tongue, because my main camera will be something like this. I think it's already looks a little bit fine now. Uh, yeah. Don't forget to. I think I will just use this as a reference. So this one also has the similar. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to make sure I only select the right highlight. I think I will probably not edit this the what is it, the right eye too much, because it will cover with the eye patch. So, but if someone will hide the eye patch, at least it will still looks nice, I guess. So we still want to edit this. Okay. Okay. As you can see, the eyes will be a little bit weird because this is the perspective of this kind of thing is actually impossible, I guess. So I usually just move this a little bit to the here. Hopefully, it doesn't look weird from this side. Yeah, we'll do this one also. Hopefully, the turntable will still looks good, I guess. Let's see. Okay, I think this is fine. It's kind of having a little bit chick here. Uh, yeah, always see from the other side to make sure it doesn't look that weird. Okay, only 10 minutes left. It's, I think this is a little bit successful, I guess. I'm afraid that I can't really create this kind of expression. And turns out it's looking fine, at least for me. I don't know about you guys. Expression looking better than the drawing, said Checker. Thank you. Really? Yeah, tomorrow we will create the hair. We will tweak the hair so it will looks nicely on the head. Yeah. So okay, I think we got 9 minutes left. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think we can just start with the hair, right? We can start now. So the hair, okay. I think it has a different flow than this, I guess. So the flow would be something like this. I think I will hide the iPads first. just to make sure. Oh, I see. The eyes here, as you can see, it's kind of tilted out. So I will make it a little bit lower. Just a little bit to make it a little bit better, I guess. Rodolph Loom said it's good. Thank you. Thank you, Rodolph Loom. I think yeah, probably the left eye, right eye, need a little bit more working. Since I will use this as the reference to the hair, I think I will hide the eye patch. Uh, Also, this one is kind of has a flat. I don't know what is it. The cheek is a little bit more flat on the side. This kind of curvy, I guess. Here. Hopefully we can tweak that like that. Tweak it like that. I mean, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad, right? Yeah, probably it's not. I think the this one is actually need a little bit uh more to the front, I guess. It's a little bit tricky. Probably something like this. Yeah, it's hopefully looking a little bit better. Let's just see from the. I think it's fine. It will hide the this part of the hair will hide the this part because it's actually will looking weird from that side. I will also use a little bit of scalp to smooth out this cheek. Let's just see. Yeah, I think this is fine. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm afraid the right side will be more empty, I guess, from compared to this. Uh, we'll take a look tomorrow, I guess, how to fix that. So this one is actually has some what is it? The color is visible here, so it's kind of more busy. But this one is kind of more empty, I guess. What we can do is we can lower this part a little bit. Okay, I need to make sure the this one is connected, the proportional editing. So to make it even, I guess the this one is should be a little lower, and I think hmm, I think we can take a look at the different reference, I guess. Okay, this one is actually also a little bit larger. Mm, Also, I think I will rotate the head a little bit tilted. Probably like this. I just make sure the. I think I will also apply this just to make sure it don't mess up. Yeah, probably something like this. Yeah, maybe the plus a little bit up, I guess. Okay, the side of the yeah, this is the also the weird perspective of the 2D, I guess. The side is visible here under reference, so I don't know. Yeah, we'll probably figure that out tomorrow. Uh, okay, I think I will compare this to the actual. Okay, this is the actual picture, and this is the modified one. Yeah, yeah. I think it will be a little bit tilted like this, the head, so it will be visible. The what is it? The knot of the cloth. Yeah, I think it's 3 hours already. So I think I will almost wrap this up. So yeah, just a little bit probably. I think the head. Wait, it should be. I think the side of JKR said. I think the side of the head being so visible from the drawing is just bad perspective from the artist. Uh yeah, probably, but I think it's sometimes it's kind of the choice, I guess, from the artist. Because if you see, uh, the illustration is sometimes always has something like that, the weird perspective and everything. I think if the result is still good, I think it's fine. At least for 2D. You see a lot of that kind of thing in 2D, especially in anime. I think that's also make it looks kind of nice, I guess. Sometimes it doesn't always follow the perspective rule or something. Yeah, it you don't always you probably doesn't realize that after uh before analyzing the picture, I guess. So it's fine. I think I will make it the side here a little bit large, I guess, to make I don't know. I think let's just see tomorrow, I guess. We will at least fix the this part. Uh okay. I keep tweaking again and again. Yeah, this is okay. I think I will just wrap it up the stream. So yeah, tomorrow we will fix the hair. Hopefully it will be fun. Yeah, we will also fix the ear and the it has as you can see I edit this one so it has two ears, I guess. So we will fix that tomorrow, I guess. Hopefully it will be fun. Cheats. Cheers. Oh, I see. Nearly there though. Yeah, probably. Yeah, the hair will be uh, quite daunting task, I guess, since it has a lot of parts and everything. But if it's if the but the result is always worth it, I guess. The hair because it's gives a lot of characteristic on your character, something like that. So yeah, hopefully we can. Thank you so much for coming along with this in this stream. So hopefully we can see you again tomorrow at the similar time. Thank you so much. I keep I still kind of confused how to end the stream. I guess I'm sorry if it's not that smooth. So yeah, got the time to watch that curved hair tooth and see if it fits the hair. I will stick to the my usual workflow this time to make it faster. I think I will try to experiment later, I guess, in the future stream with the different project and everything. So in this stream, I will just stick to the my usual workflow. So I'm sorry if I can try anything else, I guess, just to make it faster to finish, something like that. Okay, okay, okay. I will just end this stream, I guess. Thank you so much. See you later. Thank you. Bye.